Hello. My name is Jessie, and if you've been looking for a new recipe for your ground beef, today is the day. We are making a Thai curry beef pasta. For the ingredients you would need 1 pound of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, 1 chopped bell pepper, 1 chopped onion, 1 can of coconut cream about 6 ounces, 1 cup of arugula, half a pound of angel hair pasta, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional. We're gonna have the heat on high and add about a tablespoon of oil in it. Okay, we're gonna add the onion in first to let it caramelize. Now we're gonna add in the curry paste so the flavor can bloom in the oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. I think the onion took it off. And that's the one very important thing about cooking these curry paste. We have to fry in the oil so all the ingredients or the herbs would bloom and bring out the flavor. So I'm just gonna let it hang out with the onion a little bit. Right now the onion is translucent, I'm gonna add in the beef. I'm gonna add the whole thing in. Now I'm gonna switch gear. I'm trying to mash the meat out and mix it into the curry paste and the onion. This would help marinating the beef as well. Now I'm gonna crank up the heat so the meat would sear. I wish you guys can smell all the aromatics already. The lemongrass, the lamb meat, the curry, everything is in the paste is so yummy. And I don't know about you guys, but I got a bit tired of just making the same dishes with the ground beef that we have in the fridge. So I've been trying to come up with new dishes for ground beef because, I mean, any of us would have ground beef in the freezer, right? But then you could only eat so much burgers, spaghetti, taco. So this is like another pasta dish, but with a twist. Alright, the meat looks about to be done. I'm going to add in the coconut milk. This is the coconut cream. So it's all cream in here, and I'm going to dilute it with the same amount of water. And 1 can of pasta water. Now we're just going to bring it to a boil. Trying to whisk up the coconut cream. You could also substitute the coconut cream with heavy whipping cream, but curry goes so well with the coconut milk. That's why I decided to add the coconut milk in here. Let it simmer like this for a little bit, just so that the meat can absorb all the flavor in. Now that it's at about the consistency that I like, a little bit saucy, but not too watery, I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh my goodness, the creaminess of the coconut milk, flavorful curry paste, good. Right. Lastly, I'm gonna add in the bell pepper. I didn't want to add it at the beginning because I still want the bell pepper to have some crunch. Now I'm gonna add the pasta in. This is half a pound of pasta. I like to have my pasta soaked into the sauce instead of just pour it over. So when I cook this, I have a little bit al dente, like about a minute before it's actually done. So I can add it into the sauce. So I can soak in all the yumminess. if you don't want to eat pasta, you can add rice noodles, or even just serve it over white rice would do too. And guess what, guys? It's done. See how quick it was? Alright, so now it's done. We're gonna plate it. Because the curry and the coconut cream is so, well, for me it is kind of rich, so what I usually would do is add a handful of arugula on it, but you can add basil if you like, but I like the taste of the arugula because of the pepperiness of it. And of course, you know me, you're gonna have some red pepper flakes, and if you can't handle it like Calvin, skip it. Wow, look at this, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? Now it's your turn to make this new recipe for ground beef at home.
Okay guys, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and come back next week for our weekly updates. See you then!